Ready to amplify your WhatsApp communication and reach a massive audience with personalized messages? Let's dive into how to use Aisensy's powerful broadcast feature in WhatsApp. First, log into your Aisensy account. You'll find the broadcast section in the main menu on the left-hand side. Give that a click. Now, to start a new campaign, locate and click on the Create Broadcast button. This will open up the broadcast creation window. Begin by giving your broadcast a descriptive name. This will help you easily identify it later. Next, define your target audience. You can select pre-existing contact lists or create new segments based on specific criteria like demographics or engagement history. Now, it's time to craft your message. Use the message editor to write compelling content. You can add text, images, videos, and even personalize each message by using variables like the recipient's name. Before you launch, choose your sending option, either send immediately or schedule for a later date and time. This is perfect for aligning your message with peak engagement times. Review all the details one last time to ensure everything is accurate. Once you're satisfied, hit the Send Broadcast button, and Aisensy will take care of delivering your personalized messages to your target audience on WhatsApp. And that's it. You've successfully used Aisensy Broadcast to reach a large audience efficiently, boost your marketing campaigns, and keep your audience informed with ease. Don't forget to subscribe for more Aisensy tips and tricks.